Hello, this is going to be a quick review of this iShoot color lens. As you can see, I've got it mounted on my camera right here, and overall I'd say it's really good. It's sturdy, there's no sense of any wobble to it. So as you can see, I've got it mounted on my tripod here, and it's doing its job really well. So I'd say it's worth the price and its money, to be honest. If my only criticism is it's a bit shorter than the proper ones that are a bit more expensive, so like the other companies, other retailers that sell it a bit longer. So if that's something you want, but as you can see, for me it's just a little bit short on there. But overall, what I'm more interested in is this quick release system, and here as you can see, that's all feels sturdy. There's no sense of wobble to it. So if I just bring it in to the house and see what it's like. So I've brought it into the house, and this is what it looks like handed holding it. So as you can see, there's no wobble to it. It's nice and sturdy, and I think I would say overall it's really good for what it does. I'll do a quick demonstration of what it's like to unscrew this. So all you have to do is untighten it like the other one, the original one that came with this. And then with that click right here, you just click to release. And also another little criticism, I wouldn't say it's really that bad, that it doesn't stay flush because of this little screw or safety screw, but I think you can get rid of it, so that's not a big deal, to be honest. Overall, what I was looking for is something sturdy that wasn't wobbling, and this does its job. Thank you very much for watching. Hope this review was helpful.